Do you want to learn more about building powerful, data-driven applications with Python? Then you need to join DataStax developers on Wednesday, February 8th for our next workshop on how to get started on Python and NoSQL with Apache Cassandra. For this workshop, I'll be joined by special guest Udemy instructor Sarma Pydipally. Sarma's highly rated courses on Udemy have helped thousands of engineers take their database knowledge to the next level. And if you join, you could win a free coupon to take one of Sarma's courses. Join us to learn more about how you can build data access layers in Python, about how to build applications on NoSQL databases like Cassandra and AstroDB, and also how to expose Python methods with RESTful APIs like FastAPI. That's February 8th, Wednesday, 8 a.m. Pacific, 11 a.m. Eastern, 5 p.m. Central European, and 9:30 p.m. India Standard Time. Join us and learn on DataStax Developers.